function does, date trunc, it helps you to return the first day of the specified date part. Meaning, if I say that today is, let's say, 3rd of August 2024. Now, if I want the first of the day of a month, on a month level, if I want, then what will it return? It will return me 1/8/2024 because that's the first of the month. If I say year is a date part, then what will it return? 1/1/24. It will return this particular day. So it returns the first year of the date part which is specified. So to see this in action, let's say we go to the calculated field and let's say date trunc demo. We go over here, we write date trunc. Date part you have to mention. How do we give the date parts? I have given at the very bottom. What are the various date parts? Typically, these are the date parts, month, day. These are the date parts. So let's say, which date part do I want? If I say month, and what is the date? The date is the order date on which I wanted to work. Start of the week, I'm not defining, and I click OK. Now, what it is going to do as a result of it, let's say if I have order date, and next to the order date, I want, let's say, all dates or let's say year level. And then I drop the new date that we have. Date trunc demo. Okay. Now, date trunc, and order date is on. So this is a date trunc, order date. Both are sitting in the same place. So this is my order date. This is my date trunc. What I've done in order date is I want to look at it from start of month. So when I expand this one, right, it has various quarters. If I expand this one, it's showing various quarters once again. Again, if I expand this, this is showing me the months. And over here, months. And if I go further, now what it is doing, since we did month-wise, right, over here, if I expanded, what it will show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because for the month of Jan, these are the various dates. But since we did a date trunc on start of month, that's why irrespective of what is going to be the date of Jan, over here, it will only be written as 1. That's the start of month, 1st of January of a particular year. Is this portion clear? What you're doing when you give the date part as month, you are trying to find the start of month. Start of month means in a given month, whatever is the date, date trunc will always give first of that month and year. And if I wanted it to be on year level, not on the month level, I want it to be on the year level, then what do I need to change? Then instead of month, you give over here, we can give year and click OK. So when I open this, it's showing quarter-wise. Open this, quarter-wise. And we further break it. This is Jan, Feb, March. Further break it. This is all January. Now, whether you are sitting in March or Feb or any other month, since this is what? This is the start of year. It will only give the 1st of Jan of that year over here. So one is the start of month, one is the start of year. Start of month or start of year is nothing but changing the date part. If I write the date part as month, it does work as a start of month. And if I put the date part as a year, then it works as a start of year.